Nestled in the heart of St. Elizabeth, this restaurant has become a beloved destination for both locals and visitors. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we look at the Billy Restaurant. Here's Deidre Thomas.
Billy Carr wasn't always the man behind the grill. His journey to becoming a staple in the local restaurant scene started with him being one of the first rice planters in St. Elizabeth.
First of all, I used to sell the ice cream riding from Santa Cruz to Middle Quarter, sell ice cream on a bicycle.
However, at the age of 18, he had one simple request of his parents: a bike. His parents, with their own vision for his future, offered him something far greater.
So she gave me a spot to do my own business beside her.
That moment has changed his life forever, setting him in a 34-year journey in the food industry.
I sell everything that you can think in food. Fry festival, chicken, rice and peas, shrimp soup, red peas soup with no meat, peanut porridge.
While this restaurant may not be the type that flashes across Instagram feeds or grand headlines with influencer endorsement, the restaurant's success has been built on the oldest form of marketing: word of mouth.
I do my own natural seasoning. I don't use any gas. I use it straight wood fire, so people love the wood fire the whole time. Wood fire.
Do you think that sets you apart?
Yes, that made me boom, go very good.
Though he thinks he has mastered the art of building a legacy for his family, it hasn't been without a few charred moments.
Only challenge I have sometime, the business, you have a certain time of the year. January, February, the business is slow, but after February going now, it go up. So you have to know that after Christmas, Christmas is boom off. August, very booming.
Now he's seeking to get another pot bubbling with flavor.
I'm planning to open another business on the other side. So one business is going to be on the left, going, and one on the right, going to Black River. They try to come in here and have a lot of business. I don't see why we black men can have more than one business. So we just need to support one another. We need to just cooperate and support one another.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.